Would you like some cookies? Do you have any pens? There aren't any eggs in the fridge. Would you like some tea? We need some apples for the pie. Do you have any money? I have some crayons in my art box. I have some herbs for the soup. I don't have any food today. There isn't any rice left. There is some orange juice left. Are there any cookies left? Would you like some honey in your tea? Would you like some pizza? Would you like some milk before bed? Do we have any soup left? Do you have any extra worksheets? I picked some tomatoes this morning. We still have some strawberries. I don't have any crayons left. Would you like some water? There aren't any bananas left. There aren't any mushrooms today. Did you catch any fish? Do we have any vegetables today? We still have some rice balls. I didn't bring any snacks. Here are some pencils you can borrow. Would you like some orange slices? There isn't any flour left.